quite. Let's do it with a little lower pitch. Like that. Okay, from the top. A 1 and a 2 and... Just like that. You.
You think the Earth is round and circles the sun? You're right. Tilly, have you been getting into the spotted berries again?
Fernessa, there you are! We are heading into the jungle to find a Cuddlesaurus! They're so sweet and soft.
You mean baby brontosauruses? The cuddliest of all the dinos? I love Cuddlesauruses! But they also live near some super dangerous plants. Luckily, I know the safe way there. Oh wait, I have to plant these seeds first. Just give me 5 minutes and I'll be back in no time. Cool? Great. Remember, do not go without me. It's dangerous if you don't know the way.
Okay, so we wait. No big deal. Oh, we've been waiting forever.
I feel myself aging. My skin's growing wrinkly, my bones weak. Oh, I don't think I have much time left.
It's like I've wasted my whole life. I spent so much time looking into the future, I never stopped to live in the present.
I say we just go. Fernessa can catch up later.
But she said it was dangerous.
She said there were dangerous plants. We eat plants.
Okay, so it's settled. No more waiting. Come on, to the cuddling!
Okay, tiny plant babies. You're safe in the ground. And I'll be here when you... Huh? They couldn't even wait 5 minutes.
I cannot wait to cuddle that dino. I'm gonna cuddle so cuddle much.
Easy there.
I don't know what Fernessa was talking about. There's like totally not even a little danger here. These plants are totally, 100%, absolutely, without a doubt, safe and... Oh, and I really should have kept my mouth shut. Help! Ah! Oh, Emberly! Ah! Oh! Ah!
Do you think this was the dangerous plant Fernessa was talking about?
Yes, I do. Now, if you don't mind, please get me down.
Don't worry, I'll just get captured too. At least you're not alone. Someone add me to the list of people that need saving, please.
Don't worry, girls. I've got a plan. I'm just gonna eat it.
Go, Roaralai! You got this! Scratch that, it's got you!
Let me go, you overgrown salad! I know it looks bad, but I can feel it weakening with every bite. Oh, never mind, it just got tighter. Yeah, we're in trouble.
Having a hard time seeing any sort of future for us girls.
Oh, I think I see our future. And it says plant food!
Well, it looks like this is it, girls. If I'd one regret, it'd be not getting to cuddle the Cuddlesaurus.
Really? Because I kind of regret not listening to Fernessa.
I kind of regret listening to Emberly.
Hey, that's fair.
Hey, plant face! Stop trying to eat my best but super impatient friends. If you're hungry, then eat this. Seriously, it's nuts and berries, and I promise it tastes way better than they do.
Hey, I bet I'm delicious.
Not helping, Roaralai.
Oh.
Hi, Fernessa.
Oh, Fernessa, thank you. That was the coolest thing I've ever seen. And I've seen the future.
I'm glad you saved us. I still think I would have tasted good, though.
Yeah? Well, I'm a little mad you didn't listen to me. Come on, before that thing wants dessert.
You're sorry, Fernessa. You were right. It was dangerous.
Ugh, I told you so.
We should have listened.
And waited.
And not got almost eaten.
Yeah, well, look, we all make mistakes. I totally forgive you. So let's all just enjoy all these cute Cuddlesauruses!
Cuteness overload.
Let's go!
They're so cute.
Oh, I'm gonna cuddle you, and I'm gonna cuddle you, and you. No. Oh, you're so cute and cuddly. Come on and let's cuddle. Hurry! We're gonna lose them! I've never seen a flock of pterodactyls before.
Guys, I can't be out much longer. I've got a lot to do today.
Oh, Tella, you've been helping out around the village non-stop for days. It's okay to take a break.
I know. There's just so much to do. And I want to help.
Come on, let's just keep going. Then we'll head back.
Emberly, Tella, and Roaralai may be following a flock of pterodactyls for now, but if you stay tuned, you'll see they're about to discover a new first.
Quick, through here! Whoa!
I've never seen this river before.
Roarsome!
We've lost the pterodactyls.
Yeah, but look what we found! There's a path on the other side of the river. I wonder where it leads.
It leads to our next adventure. Come on!
Now can we go back? I told my dad I'd sweep the cave. And I told Fernessa I'd help.
Totally! After we check the path.
We can use the rocks to get across.
Not to be a dino downer, but are we sure this is, safe?
Well, can't you do your whole television thing to see if it's safe?
My visions just sort of happen. I can't control them.
Like burps. Yeah, I get it.
We can do it. We're cave girls.
Narrator here to remind you that if you ever feel like something is unsafe, it's best to just not do it.
Woo! See? It's easy. Come on.
It's pouncing time. Oh, made it! Okay, Tella, your turn.
That looked fun! Besides, I love water. It's so tranquil and serene. But I really do need to get back. I told Slate I'd help him mix paints. I told my mom I'd help cook. Hello, new friend. What's your name? Do you live here? What do you do for fun? Do you like being asked a lot of questions? I guess not. No!
Roll.
Tella! Okay, Water. You are not being tranquil. You're serene. Help!
We're coming, Tella!
Oh, vines! Emberly, get ready. I've got a plan.
Plan? What plan?
Whoa!
Oh, I get it! Here I come! Tella, grab on!
Are we happy screaming or scared screaming?
We made it! Now let's never do that again.
Hey, watch it!
Tella, you look great!
And you smell good, too. Not that you smelled bad earlier. You just smelled like dirt and sweat. Which honestly are two of my favorite things.
It must have been the water. No, it wouldn't have been so bad if it wasn't so cold. And, carrying me away to uncertain doom.
Oh, I know a place where the water is warm and doesn't move at all.
That sounds amazing. Where is it?
Well, back on the other side.
I really need to get back.
Come on, Tella. One more stop.
Okay, one more stop.
After a much less exciting journey back across the river, the girls find themselves in a luxurious hot spring.
Now this water is perfect. Totally equal parts tranquil and serene.
I'm gonna miss the nice layer of dirt I built up. But this just means I get to make a new layer.
I feel so relaxed.
Tella, don't you need to get back? I know you have a lot to do.
And I'll do it all. But, maybe just a few more minutes.
And with that, unbeknownst to them, the first spa day was invented. And Tella learned it's important to work hard, but it's just as important to take some time to relax.
Me and my best friends, but you can